Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today we're learning how to greet people in isiXhosa. Are you ready, kids?
Molo.
Unjani?
Oh, look, it's Sisi.
Molo, unjani?
Indiphelile. Wena unjani?
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say unjani, it means how are you? And when we answer by saying hindipilile, it means I am fine. You see how easy it is? Now let's see how Abuti and Sisi use these phrases.
Molo.
Unjani?
Indiphelile. Molo. Unjani?
Oops, that cat doesn't seem very happy.
Molo. Unjani?
Dipilile.
And now you can greet people in isiXhosa. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, Sisi. See you next time.
Bye.